My name is José Luis Valdez. I work on the land. Like most people here, I live locally, so we are very much in agreement with farming organically and not using pesticides, which could be harmful for our health.
Our most important crop is our citrus trees. These are harvested when the desired compounds and all those great phytonutrients are present in the highest concentration. Alfalfa grows year-round in Petacal, and this allows us to harvest the alfalfa in its precise moment. It goes from fresh alfalfa to dry alfalfa without sacrificing its nutritional qualities.